All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And today is a great day. We're at Pat Built Performance and we are gonna be getting the first drive in with the new twin disc clutch.
A few moments later.
Oh no, there's no. It doesn't feel anywhere close to stock. No. Yep, people lied. Bro, what, dude? It's like 10 times heavier than stock.
Dude, you're fine.
Oh yeah. I'm getting used to it again, y'all. Oh yeah. Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and I finally started to get used to this Vengeance Stage 2 twin disc clutch, y'all. Starting to enjoy it, starting to get used to it, put a little bit more miles on the car, and I ain't gonna lie, it's still heavy, obviously, but it's feeling nice. This clutch is feeling nice, ladies and gentlemen. I think I'm gonna really enjoy it. Racing it. Oh, we got some stuff falling on the car. We gotta move. Probably not a smart idea to go ahead and park underneath this tree, but it is what it is. Let's go ahead and get out of here before one of the big branches. Oh, as I say, I'm getting used to it. I'm almost stalling out. Let's get out of here before a branch falls or, you know, a piece of fruit falls on the car. But I'm actually really enjoying the clutch right now. It's heavy, but the thing is, like, it's a nice feeling because you know you have a meaty, beefy clutch that means something, man. Like this clutch is engaging at the very top, which I know some people might not like in all reality, as I almost stall out again. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm starting to really enjoy it. Like, driving around regularly is not bad whatsoever now once you get used to it, because I think the problem was I was so used to the stock clutch, and then the stock clutch in the S650 with all the clutch assist and the clutch protection, it is super easy to drive. Like, the car literally drives itself. Once I got into this car with this stage 2 clutch, man, it was just a complete shell shock, because everything was like no joke. To me, it felt like it was 10 times heavier than stock. There was absolutely no, leeway at all, because with the stock clutches, you have some leeway. With the Shelby GT350 clutch, there's leeway. With the S650 clutch, there's a lot of leeway. You can't even stall it out if you even tried, because like the computer will feed gas to the car. With this, there isn't as much leeway, but the way the clutch engages is not bad once you get used to it. A lot of you guys told me, yeah, you just put some more miles on the car, you're gonna get used to it, let that, that muscle memory kind of just override itself and then kick in with the new clutch. You guys are right. It feels good, I'm not gonna lie. And finally, I can jump in this car and not be like, oh my God, I gotta go ahead and break in 500 miles. Now I just wanna drive the car. The only issue is, like, I don't have a lot of time to drive the car right now, but it is what it is, what I'm saying? I'm gonna get these miles done as soon as I can. I gotta run up to the shop right now, and then yeah, the car will probably be parked for the rest of the day. I am going to attempt to get some miles in tomorrow, but if not, all good. I'm gonna try. I think tomorrow's actually, yeah, it's the beginning of the month. There definitely is some cars and coffees going on this weekend. I'm gonna try, y'all, but very busy time of the year. Not complaining whatsoever. I wish it was like this all year, but it is what it is. I picked a hell of a time to go ahead and get a clutch installed. But at least, when I jump in the car to just move it around, jump in the car to go to the grocery store, jump in the car to go to a meet, it's towards something, And I do apologize, like, these videos are not going to be like the most, like, action-packed, but I do want to document this journey, breaking this clutch in, because I know there are a lot of Shelby GT350 owners who are thinking about going ahead and upgrading their clutch for a boost, or upgrading their clutch, this guy's drifting, upgrading their clutch just because maybe their stock unit is worn out and they don't want to put another stock one in, just in case they might modify the car. In a performance, you definitely don't need to go ahead and upgrade the clutch. Honestly, boost 800 and below, I would just keep the stock clutch unit. Honestly, if it starts to slip, I'd put another stock unit in the car. This guy is drifting. I'm getting away from this dude in this U-Haul. Brother, get off the road, go take a nap somewhere. I would just put another stock unit in there, but this stage 2 clutch feels nice. Like, this car needed a clutch like this because, you know, obviously it's making enough power to where the stock unit is just not going to survive. And I can actually turn this car up if I wanted to, but I think I'm gonna leave it at the 110mm pulley for right now. It's probably around, like, you know, 13, 14 pounds. That's enough right now. See, my downshifts are getting a lot better, y'all. Previous videos I couldn't downshift at all. Now it's not bad. Only thing I need to go ahead and focus up on is like the takeoff. The takeoff's a little bit different, but just, you know, driving the car around, downshifting, you know, just, you know, doing your basic, you know, daily driver activities, because that's technically what you need to do to break this clutch in. You obviously can't go out racing it. I know some people are saying, oh, you don't need to go ahead and break the clutch in. Look, Vengeance said to break the clutch in. I've already done the non-break-in procedure, and I was literally back at the shop in under a month. So not gonna go ahead and do that. Just gonna do it right. I'm in absolutely no rush. It's not a big deal. I drive the car, you know, a decent amount to where I can get these 500 miles done in like 2 weeks or less. Absolute worst would be 3 weeks, but it's not bad. It's not bad. You just have to go ahead and give the car a little bit more gas for takeoff with this clutch. Different than the stock unit, but it feels good. This is not a lightweight flywheel either. If this was a lightweight flywheel, I probably wouldn't like this. But that's exactly why I didn't go with a lightweight flywheel. This is a ceramic clutch, but I think we'll be alright. Hopefully the transmission will take it. It should. I think it will. I hope it will. I hope it will, because it would be very bad if the transmission went out, because, well, I just put another stock one in and I'd have to send this one to get rebuilt. It's way cheaper to get a working transmission reinforced versus getting a broken transmission fixed up with stronger components. So hopefully the transmission, you know, can survive. It's a Century blower. It should be able to. It's not making a lot of torque. This car is not making over 700 foot-pounds of torque. I can guarantee you that. So I think we'll be alright. Dude, what is going on with everybody just today? And that was a damn... You know, nobody's in that ambulance.
One eternity later.
Alrighty. At the shop. Oh, I always hate having to... Oh, I scraped a little bit, but it's all good. Damn, the sun's doing its thing today. What are you doing, man? You're gonna dump the Mazda race car?
We're dumping this fucking car, bro. This thing is going to the moon!
He's gonna dump the Mazda. Man. It's either gonna sound good or bad, bro.
Dude, it's gonna sound fucking demon.
Either good or
I
bad.
can't crack this wall.
Watch it be quiet. Watch it actually be quiet.
I'm gonna make it sound really, really bad.
Bro,
I think it's gonna sound. It might not sound bad.
It's a 2.5 liter 4-banger. We looked up the specs.
But still got the cats though.
Wait. This leads into the dual exhaust, so I only have one pipe now.
Correct.
Fuck, this thing's gonna be quiet and duddy.
No. I mean, it's the dual exhaust is just a muffler, but so we looked it up. It's a Sky Active 2.5 liter.
Is this gonna fuck my
makes
car up?
186 horsepower at the crank. So when the dyno gets here, we're gonna dyno it.
It'll make like 120 wheel.
Yeah, probably.
We need to zip tie this fucker.
Zip tie what?
The
Hey.
fucking pipe, dude.
I bet you it's faster than a stock FRS and BRZ though. Like that's the funny thing. It probably make more power. It's probably, oh yeah, it probably is faster.
No, I think the stock FRS and BRZs made 200.
No. That's to the crank.
Well, yeah, this made 186 to the crank.
Oh, so okay, maybe like
they're,
a couple.
They're lighter though.
That's
too.
true. That's
I'm light
true.
as fuck,
That's
dude.
true.
No, this isn't light.
Yeah, it's probably like 3,500 pounds.
Yeah.
35, 36 maybe.
Yeah, buddy.
I don't think it's gonna sound that bad.
I think
I don't think it's gonna sound that bad. We'll see. We'll see.
this is insane.
All right, took the exhaust off. Huge ass muffler. Like it's literally like a suitcase.
Dude, that's weight reduction.
Yeah, it's not really that heavy, but bro, I'm telling you, like, maybe this should be off the car. Turn it on, see how it sounds.
Bro,
It's literally just a singular pipe into a dual tip, like. This is gonna sound. This actually might sound bad. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna get a check engine light up, bro.
No, you won't get a code. I guarantee you won't get a code. Yeah, I'm ready. I told you it's quiet.
I heard something.
It doesn't even sound bad.
Sound good?
It actually sounds pretty good.
Let's fucking go.
It doesn't even sound bad.
Oh, that's his car.
It's like a deep rumble.
That's the actual good car.
No, but this actually does, like it's like a yeah, it doesn't sound bad at all. Take off the resonator. Nah, don't do that.
I need to take it off.
It'll sound, nah, take the resonator off, it'll be bad.
Wait, can you rev it? I want to hear from outside.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, this might be demon.
Oh my god.
Oh, that sounds good.
It's got a nice deep tone to it, I ain't
Is it
gonna
good
lie.
though?
Honestly, you gotta probably do like a hit and see how it sounds.
Should I go for a hit?
Fuck it.
A few moments later.
Look at this dude. Man, this car looks good. He dumped the Mazda, bro.
You did it already? Are you dead ass? You cut it or just disconnected?
He disconnected it. It actually sounds pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so back at the casa. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Gonna be a lot of chill vids until we get the clutch break-in miles done. So if you guys enjoy like the random funny moments and just drives, make sure you drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe out there, y'all. Deuces.